Hey people, Kiara here from myDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our Clickbank case study using myleadgensecrets. Alright, so come here, we did not get a sale yesterday, totally fine, something that does happen, but it's not a big deal, so let's keep it moving. See, that's the thing, that's the type of attitude you have to have. Also, don't really worry about it if it doesn't work, you don't get a sale. Don't get discouraged, you know what I mean? Don't get discouraged. Make sure that's a very important ability. I'm telling you. The difference between somebody who's successful at affiliate marketing and somebody who's not, it's not is you smart enough. You know, it's more of a case of, do you believe in yourself? Did you give up? You can't have the ability. You can't sit there and be worried that it won't work. You know, I understand the emotion, I get it, believe me, but the second I sat there and said, if it don't work, whatever, I try something else. When I start doing like that, when I start getting like that, getting into that mindset, that's when I really start taking off. When I started thinking like, it's not a big deal if it fails. All right, so let's keep it moving here. You go to e-business, e-marketing, like it's not the end of the world if it fails. I'm sorry. Let's keep it moving. We're gonna use Get Played to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube here. We're gonna go to the affiliate page here. Product we're gonna use here, and all we come in here for is an email, guys. That's all we come in here for. Once it loads, cause that's all we really need. We just need some kind of email, something to say, hey, check this out. You know. It's basically, it's not loading for some reason. What's going on? Come on. What's happening here? Let's refresh. Refresh the page. And we hit affiliate page. Okay, there we go. It came up then. All right, so we're gonna go to the email swipes here. We're gonna go to the fourth one, I think. Where we at? I don't forget which one we on. Have we done the 40 per tweet? We already did the 40 per tweet. All right, so we're gonna skip that one. We're gonna go to the next one here. What's the next one here? Yeah. $1,000 a week YouTube job match. All right, so let's go with this. We're not gonna pick the name. We're gonna, well, I don't know. Brackets. We'll pick the name. We're gonna pick the name. All right, we'll just pick what they say pick. All right, so copy that. Just pin the name down. What's as important is this right here. This is pretty important. $sign and all that. All right, so all you have to do at this point is copy paste like before, right? Copy paste body, hey, name, blah blah blah, wah. Yeah. Uh-oh, I hit the wrong button. Sorry about that. Hit the wrong button. Copy. Let's pick social page. You can pick whatever you want for the signature. I just picked social page because it could grow into what the page looks like. You know what I mean? Okay, right here, the deadline of this job application is 12 o'clock a.m. On date, what's tomorrow's date? Let's pick the 13th, April 13th, 2022. Oh. Alright, so don't want to pick tomorrow because some people don't open these emails every day. You know what I mean? I want to give them a little time. You have to think about that too. Like sometimes people don't really check their emails every day. You might not necessarily catch this email. Paste, boom, boom. Great news, blah 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 blah. Less for hours. What today is, the 11th? That's midnight tomorrow. You know what? Let's do something like this. There's a deadline. There's a deadline for this. We only need a few people. Let's just say that. Please apply ASAP as you're perfect for this role. Alright, so that works really good. I don't know what I said. Anyway, we're gonna go here. We're gonna get our email. Boom, create the hot link, copy. All you gotta do, just put it in the click here to apply. Boom, 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 boom. Put it here, put here to apply. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, that's solid. Nothing looks off. Oh, click here to apply. Oh, they got it here 3 times. I almost missed that last one there. I was just finna send it. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, we perfect timing. All right. What perfect timing does is sends the email around the time people usually check their emails. So, for example, you check it at around 8 o'clock. They'll send an email around 8 o'clock. So anyway, let's preview it. Make sure the links work. Boom, boom, boom. They all work. That's good. All right. So that's that. An email. And really that simple there, guys. Anyway, if you got multiple accounts, what you do, you go here, go to the next account, you log out of this account. Boom. You log back in, you go to your next account here, whatever your next account may be. Go to mailing system, hit that button. You just copy paste. Basically just copy paste. Right. Right. Copy paste. You gotta change all of these. They decided they want to pick 3, but don't change them. Just so you'll know which account gives you the sale. Alright, send the email. Alright, so that's pretty good. Anyway, we're gonna log out of this account. We're gonna go to our third account. Do the same thing, copy paste. That's not third account, hold up. Sorry about that, I messed up. I'm gonna go to something. Alright, and then the email. Alright. Excuse me. Honestly, there we go. Now we pretty much done. We just gotta change these to 3. Boom. Three. Boom. Boom. All right, guys. That's about all there is to it, guys. All right. We preview. We already did that. An email. We done. That's all there is to it, guys. You just do exactly what I did. That takes about 10 minutes every day to knock out. If you got more than one account, only reason it took me 10 minutes because I'm talking to. So that's about all there is to it. Very simple, very easy to do, very easy to understand. Make sure to click on the link below. You want to get started with My Lead Gen Secrets. There's a link down below. You will become an affiliate for me, and I'll make $5 a month off of you as long as you stay in the system. But at that point, if you want to make multiple accounts, make sure to sign in as an affiliate for yourself so you can make money off of your money, and also get 200 leads for your personal account, because you get more leads if you get a sale on your account. So that's about it for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, wait, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I know y'all get tired of hearing me say that, but it works. People do it when I say it. So and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.